Taste test. Wait, hold on now. Hey y'all, it's Katura and I'm back with another video, and today we are going to be cooking, a little bit of vlogging mixed in, mingled, but I'm going to show you guys how to make my chicken casserole. Everybody loves it. It's a party favorite, a holiday favorite. It's easy to make, quick to make. Y'all thank me later, okay? You're welcome. Anyways, before we get into this video, if you are a new subscriber or you're just new to this channel, thank you so much. Do stay a while and check your girl's other videos out after. And if you're a following subby that's always been here from jump, woo woo, thank you guys so much. I don't even know what that was about, woo woo, but thank you guys so much for always tuning in to another video. I don't know why I felt the need, but I'm like, you know what? I looked in the mirror and I was like, I need to put some lip gloss on, but I wanted to bring this and show it to you guys because it is from a black owned business, a small black owned business, and we need to shed love. So if you want to know more about this beautiful lip gloss that is made with vitamin E oil, which you guys know if you watch my videos, it is a staple in my face routine. You know it's great for your lips as well. Then you should go ahead and check my other video out. Now I'll link it up here. You'll see like a little flash where it shows you real quick on YouTube where you can click to it. It's where I was talking about a small black owned business and all the goodies that she gave me was amazing. If you guys have any goodies that you'd like me to try, just go ahead and follow your girl on IG and send me a DM. It's going down in the DM. I'm so corny. Look at that. Beautiful, not sticky. See if you guys can see it. Lovely, beautiful color, but look how it comes off. Okay, anyways, I wanted you guys to see this. Okay, I'm gonna change out of these clothes because we are not getting this messed up. Okay, I do not want nobody's seasoning, nobody's oil, my oil, nothing to get on. So I'm gonna do a quick change, and my son might be in the video too, so let's go to my kitchen, guys. Okay guys, so welcome to my kitchen, and we are going to get things started. Yeah, I love to work with a clean kitchen, and right now everything is just looking kind of crazy to me. You know, things are out. I have OCD, so I'm gonna get that cleaned up really quick, and then we are going to get the cooking. So I'm gonna speed this part up because who really wants to watch me clean my kitchen? But I still wanted you guys to see what it is because it's real life up in here. Let's go. Okay guys, so we are back. I got my chicken. I use free range chicken. No antibiotics, all that good stuff. I use this type of knife. I don't know if that makes a difference for anyone, but it does for me. And it's gonna be my whole family that I'm making this for, and we're not gonna cook tomorrow either, so we want to make leftovers, so use the whole thing. And I chop it up first before I wash it, so let's get the chopping. I'm going to show you guys how that's done. I do not like thick or big chicken, so I cut my chicken very small, and I will show you guys that. I'm going to come up screen and show you guys that. I'm going to season it and put it in flour and show you the whole process, and then we'll be back to talk.
Okay guys, this flour is amazing. Okay, bleach free. Go ahead and try it. You are welcome. Like I said, I like to cut my chicken really small. I am going to speed this process up, but I wanted to show you guys the size it should be. And I don't know if anyone else is like this, but towards the end, it's like a little cutlet part. It's so weird. It's very chewy and disgusting. So I just cut that off. So I'm just letting you guys know. You're going to see me pick it up and show you guys that little white part. When I do get to that, or if you get to that, you don't have to use it. Like I'm showing you guys that there's no need for it. It's almost like getting like shell in like pancakes. There's no need for that. So I'm going to speed this part up. Just thought I'd let you know what I was doing and how you should do it. Okay guys, now we're going to get into the seasoning. You know you got to use some Lawry's. With this seasoning, we're not going to use too much, but then we're going to use enough. So then I'm going to go in with Everglades seasoning. I love it. It's bomb. I really just eye it. I cannot tell you guys the measurements. We're going to do a little turmeric because it is good for you. I always put it in whatever I'm cooking. Then next we're going to do a little paprika for some color. And you guys are going to see where that color comes in to play when I brown everything down and I cook it. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use some garlic powder. Amazing. And then you guys will see in a minute. I tried to use the onion powder, but it was a new one and it wasn't open yet. So I was like, oh, hold on, we'll get back to that. I'm gonna use some of this Creole seasoning and I just really love it. Like y'all, I'm late to the game when it comes to this seasoning. This one just got added, honey. Some black pepper, of course, okay. I do sprinkling more than that, but I wanted to speed it up and I'm gonna use a glove and mix it all in.
Okay guys, so we are back. I have some oil.
It was a long day and my pony wasn't right and my hair looks a mess. Okay, bye.
Oil on, it's already prepped. Make sure it's nice and hot. Always do a little tester. And I usually do that by like taking some of the flour and just sprinkling it, and you can hear this sizzle. So we're gonna just put that in nice and easy. I always wear gloves, but you don't have to. It's just that your girl got her nails done. Is anybody like me? Like when you get your nails and you don't know how to act? I just want to talk to you. What? Girl, no. What? No. Alright, so get you some tongs because it's 2021 and you should do it. That's my excuse for everything lately. It's 2021. Like 2020 wasn't, you know. Alright, so we want these to be nice. I'm going to show you how you should fry them up because we are going to put them in the oven. Because I like my chicken to be well done but still juicy, okay? We don't want it to be like dry and disgusting. Oh, I need to be prepping the rice. So that's next. But the rice is easy. Alright, so we're going to let that sit. Do its thing. And then we're going to show you how to make step 2, the rice. Alright, real quick guys, that's what it should look like. Sizzle, sizzle, poppy, pop, pop. Okay, so now I'm going to go get my rice and the cream to show you guys. Of course, have all this out. But your girl's an OG. I could do this in my sleep. Let me go get it for you real quick. Okay guys, so this is the rice you're going to use. This dollar rice is going to be your best friend. I got it from Walmart, or I get it from Walmart. It is the cheddar and broccoli. It's amazing. You can use it for any side dish, but we're using it for this, okay? So you're going to get 2. The portion depends on how much people are in your family. I have a family of 4, and then we have dippers. So this will last up to like 8 people and you can still go back for more. Read the directions in the back, but if you don't want to because you're watching this video, you are going to use 2 cups. It's 1 cup each, but you know, 2 cups, your girl eyes it. We're gonna use half a stick of butter. I like my stuff to taste buttery and nice. So I really don't measure my butter. I just throw a chunk like that in there and let that melt out. Okay, so we're gonna let that melt out. Second, you wanna go ahead and get your cream of chicken, okay, from Campbell. Okay, make sure it says with herb. I love that herby texture. A lot of people, sometimes I've had people ask me, not online of course, but when they taste my stuff, they're like, should I get the Campbell's broccoli, you know, the broccoli and cheddar? You can do that. I have done that. You can even mix them if you want to. You can get 1 chicken broccoli and cheddar herb, sure. And you can mix it with the cream of chicken, but I love how the cream of chicken tastes. So back to our chicken. We're gonna mix it up and popping at the girl. Calm down now. Calm down. And I'll show you guys that process real quick. What the chicken looks like now. Just want to mix it up, make sure everything is all even and good. We don't want it too crisp. because we are going to put it in the oven, but it should look like this. Pretty much I want it to look like that before it's done, like this side right here. So we're going to get just a little bit more brown. And okay, so for the rice, you're just going to plop it in there. Get yourself a spoon. And with this, it takes, I think, 7 minutes. Yeah, cooks in 7 minutes. It says it on the bag. I turn it on high, just get the water boiling, but then after that, turn it down low and check back after 5 minutes, and you should be good to go, honestly. It cooks faster than it says it does. So we have that here. Show you what it looks like. It looks like a little thing of soup. Okay, so that's what it looks like, and then I'll show you guys after. So it should look just like that. Okay, so basically, sorry, keep my hands steady. See all the goodies. Okay, let that boil up. Okay, so it's time to put these bad boys. It's all done. I'm gonna put them in here in a Pyrex dish, and then we're gonna put it in the oven at 350. Everybody and their mama know black people like putting their oven on 350. Don't matter what it is, baby, put it on 350. Mama, where should I put the oven on? Put it on 350. Mama, where should I put it on? You guys get it. So we're gonna take, let me see if I can bring you guys this way. Sorry, y'all, the lighting is just hitting over here. Okay, so we're just gonna, we don't want to get all the oil, and just take the chicken out. So we're gonna do the taste test. Wait, hold on now. Okay, put it in the oven. Don't cover it. That's good to go. We're gonna check on this rice. I'll be back when it's time to mix everything all together. Hey guys, we're back. Now to mix everything up, I'm gonna show you guys how the chicken and the rice should look. So let's get to it. So that is what the chicken should look like. Amazing, beautiful, still juicy, sizzling. Do you hear it? Okay, great. The rice should be nice, flavorful. Okay, you should hear that, like macaroni. Beautiful. Do you see that? Nice and juicy. Okay, now Katura, how do we make this casserole? Well, thank you for asking. We are going to get a dish. Hold on. Okay, so you have your dish. I love blue. You're gonna take some of the cream. You're gonna line it at the bottom, almost like if you were to bake a cake and you would use the butter to line it. That way, nothing sticks and burns, and it tastes as delicious at the bottom. And I also kind of bring it up, so almost as if you were making a cake. Take the back of the spoon. And we're just gonna kind of, okay. So it should look like this. Voila, bam, skidoo. Now we're going to get the rice and the chicken and throw it all in, sis, okay? First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna scoop all the rice out, okay? Don't be shy. Ooh, you see that steam? Now, I wouldn't say that this is a cooking show. I'm just showing you guys that I like to cook and how to cook, and I don't know. I know I'm not good at writing down the measurements and everything, but your girl's gonna try to tell you what you need below. And if you follow this video step by step, then you will have yourself a cheesy casserole dish. All right, so I'm just gonna spread it out a little bit. Now we're gonna throw the chicken in there. Ooh, this came out the oven, y'all. It's kind of hot. Hold on now. Okay, I'm gonna mix the chicken in. I don't know who I thought I was without me. There we go. Then we're gonna get all of this, take the cream sauce out, okay? We're gonna probably need another one, so I'm gonna get the second can, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when I mixed it all in, okay? Okay guys, so you wanna spread it out thin like a birthday cake. Voila, okay? Now you wanna use 3 types of cheese. Parmesan, mild cheddar, and not just any mozzarella. You wanna use creamy melt, okay? We're gonna layer it on top little by little, and you guys will see here how I'm gonna do that. And yeah, without that being said, I will put it in the oven, once again 350, for about 10 to 15 minutes. We're gonna take it out and cut into it. All right, so I'll see you guys then. Okay, with this, you do wanna wrap it with foil paper and then put it in the oven. Okay, it's out the oven. Voila, look at that, guys, still sizzling. We're gonna cut into it and show you what it looks like and taste test it. All right, if it looks like that, well done. All right, you guys, it is out the oven. I like to cut mine with a spoon. You can do it with a spatula. Oh my gosh, guys, like, ooh. Get in there. Okay. Okay guys, we're done. That's what it looks like. We're gonna get into it. Cheesy and nice because of that creamy melt, y'all. Now you know you black when you like, y'all. Amazing. Thank you so much for watching this whole video. If you did, comment, subscribe, like. Tell me what I should cook next. What should I make? What do you guys want to see? If you tried it, let your girl know. I'm gonna go enjoy this before my son once more. Later, y'all.